It's been 16 days since I have sold a single item on eBay. I just don't think eBay likes me very much. Macari, it's been okay, but it's still eh. But it's doing better than eBay has been doing for me right now. But that's beside the point. I apologize for no lighting back here, but I only have one single light. What you guys can see, I have been rearranging stuff and assorting stuff around. At this moment, I'm trying to get more stuff listed up on eBay and Macari. Right now, I've got to take this box of PS2 games, which there's about 100 of them in there. And I've got to take them up to the PS2, test them. If they work, then I'm going to go ahead and sell them with the PS2. If they don't work, then I've got to wait and resurface them. Alright, this helps out a lot more. Anyway, so now we got all these PS2 games down here. They're just mostly sports games, racing games in the bottom, but there's about 100 of them in there. I gotta take them up and get them done on the PS2. I do apologize for the sound of the fan. We're in a basement right now, guys. We got all these National Geographic books in here. I did have them all in little plots and lots, so now I gotta take them out and resort them because I was going through them and now I don't remember what went with what. So it's probably the best thing is just to sort them out. This stand right here, it is completely annoying. It is just making all sorts of racket. I have sorted out all my mailing boxes pretty much. I got spare boxes there. I got that right there is just all recyclable stuff. We got hats in both of these. We got pants and stuff up here. These are men's clothes. I don't remember what was in this one. That's a good question. Oh, wait, yes I do. These right here are all Squishmallows. So if we go to this box underneath, these are all tested PlayStation 2 games. Alright, so on the screen right quick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put up everything that has sold on Macari, considering I haven't had a sale on eBay. So these are what have sold on Macari. So as you guys can see, I still have a bunch of toys. These are all pretty much Imaginext toys or whatever you want to call them. These are Power Rangers and stuff. These are all still listed on Macari. Most of them aren't listed on eBay, sort of like that one or that tote and that tote are not listed on eBay. I think these are more Squishmallows down here. Yes, they are. So we got Squishmallows there. These are all clothes and just here. I'll just. Like I said, these are all just clothes that are listed. These are all on Macari and eBay. Now coming over here to the spare room over here, we do got boxes of all sorts of stuff up here. This is just random household stuff, I'd say. Yeah, pretty much all random household stuff. Laptop holder or laptop case. Got purse, backpack. These are all filled with just random stuff. Can we stand there? No, we cannot. If we come down here, we got baby clothes and baby stuff like that. It's just all over the place right now, but at least I gotta put labels on these things so I know. We got more stuff up here. We come over here, we got the tackle box. We got, that's a DVD player up there. This right here, I think is, that right there would be the dolls. What are they called? The Cabbage Patch dolls, that's what those are. And obviously we got all of our books in each one of the little containers up here. If any of you are interested in the books, then you know that they are listed online. You can go find them if you want to. Obviously I've got to get more lighting down here and I do apologize for it. I've just been showing you guys around, show you what's going on. Like I said, it's 16 days no sales on eBay. It's kind of ridiculous, but all my prices are reasonable. Actually, they're lower than what the actual priced ones are and what they have sold for in the past. So I don't see why my price or my items don't even sell on eBay. Well, I think this year I've sold a total of 48 items on eBay and then it went down to 0. So that's why I say Macari is what I started off on before. So that's what I'm going with and that's how it is at the moment. So subscribe down below if you'd like to.